Sumalings, I have a question for you. How many hours do you think you've wasted searching for that perfect WordPress theme only to discover that there was no simple way to recreate the demo? I feel your pain, and that's why I am pumped to bring you lifetime access to more than 21 WordPress themes that load quickly and can be recreated in under 1 minute. You won't want to miss out on this deal, so stay tuned for today's product showcase. What's going on, designers? Chris here from AppSumo, and today we are talking about ProteusThemes, a suite of more than 21 WordPress themes. Each professional and functional template loads at record speeds, and you can recreate the demo in seconds flat. In just a moment, I'm going to show you how to install ProteusThemes on your website. But first, why don't you smash that subscribe button and let us know how these themes can work for you in the comments below. All right, let's get into it. Once you've set up your account, you can scroll through all 21 themes. Each theme is sleek, professional, and as a plug-and-play solution, they're each optimal for capturing your audience. All of the themes can be easily customized to match your industry and brand, and you don't even need to know any coding. You'll also see that each theme comes with an installable zip file and license key, both of which will come in handy later. Let's break down the installation into 3 easy steps. First up, installing the theme. You'll upload the theme using the zip file in 3 clicks. 1, locate the file. 2, hit install now. And 3, hit activate. Afterwards, you'll be asked for the license key. Just paste it into the field to successfully register. Moving on to step 2, install the plugins. Head over to the plugins section where you'll see a list of required and recommended plugins. It's way easy to select all and install them all at once. Hang tight while the installation process happens and then make sure to activate them. And drumroll, the third and final step, import the demo. Under WordPress's appearance section, you're going to import the demo data. When the import's complete, you'll see that everything's loaded on your site, exactly as it appeared in the demo. And just like that, you have a fully functional website that's demo perfect and ready for your branding. So let's customize the template. Change the appearance of the theme to match your brand by updating the logo and images, editing the text, redesigning the color palette, and enabling or disabling the sticky menu. If you run an online store, you can adjust the shop settings, determine how many items appear on each page, and activate a sidebar. And if your chosen template features a slider, you can update the slider by going to the pages and uploading your own images. Here's where you'll also revise the text and adjust the appearance settings, like whether the slider slides or fades away. Finally, head on over to the live editor to edit the content on your website. You can click into each widget to make the appropriate changes. You can also change the order and column width of each widget by dragging and dropping them within the sidebar. ProteusThemes features a number of useful widgets, like a blog widget, Instagram widget, and testimonials. So what are you waiting for? If you're tired of scrolling through WordPress themes that you could never in a million years replicate, then you need to get your hands on ProteusThemes. And today we are talking about, how do I pronounce this? Ooh, bad boy. Bad boy at content strikes again. I like my nifty little remote. I'm just enjoying my power. This is good. You don't have to do anything. You don't even need to be here. Just click record and come back in a half hour.